Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to resize the icons on your iPhone. For example, I have icons set to this size. This is the default size. But if you want to change it, there is a way. To do this, you go into the settings of your iPhone. Then you go down a little bit further and select Display and Brightness. And then you go down to the bottom and click on Display Zoom. Press it. On my iPhone, it's set to default. But if you tap Larger Text and you click on Done, click here, wait a couple seconds, the device restarts. We go to the desktop and we see that the icons are now large. If you want to go back to the previous size, go back here, click on Display Zoom, and click on Default, and save. It's very easy to resize the icons. As you can see, it's a very quick and easy way to do it. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.